Okay, now we are on question number 9. Question 9 is well written too. Very good, very good. Good numbers, beautiful numbers, good concept. First of all, it had a curve here and then it asks you to find phi value ABC. So you will expected to find out three equations. So one is local minimum bond as 2, 1, and the other is a vertical asymptote as x equal 1. Okay, step by step. Okay, this one easier, so I do this one first. Vertical asymptote means right, explode, right? Becomes a negative or positive infinity, right? So the denominator becomes 0 when x equal 1. So for this one, we have a substitute 1 square plus b 1 plus c. The denominator becomes 0 because asymptote. So you work on this. So a plus b plus c is what? Is 0. Equation 1. Next one, okay. Local minimum point is 2, 1. So 2, 1 is the point, right? Yeah, don't forget this one, not just a minimum point, it's just a point too. So when x equals 2, y equals 1. So next one is when y equals 1 when x equals 2. So you got the thing, substitute 2 inside. So a 2 square, b 2, and then c, okay, and then to slowly move it to the left hand side. So 4a plus 2b plus c equals -2. You have equation 2, but not enough. We need one more. Last one is hard to find, more marks will give to you. You know, sometimes when you do hard thing in IB, maybe we want you to give good marks, right? So minimum bond, so differentiate it, okay? First derivative is 0, so dy dx equals 0. Very complicated, but relax, okay? 0, so numerator is 0, just copy it. Use the quotient rule, copy the denominator. And remember, copy the denominator, differentiate the numerator first, and then numerator differentiation is easy, just 1. And then minus the numerator, differentiate the denominator, so it is 2ax plus b. Complicated fraction, but equals 0, so only the numerator equals 0. So do some expansion, okay, and substitute x equals 2, okay. Sorry, forget that is square, okay. So the first one is a 4a plus 2b plus c, and then minus 2 minus 4, so it's plus 2, okay. 2a times 2 plus b equals 0. Okay, make them good looking. So 4a, 2, 2, 8, 8, 8, so altogether 12a. Okay. Wow, complicated. So 2b, 2br 4b, but c equals 0. Okay, now we have three equations. So try to solve it. You solve it by hand, or you can solve it by your calculator. You know Cramer's rules. Okay, but this is our algebra. So solve it by hand for this 1, 2, and 3. Okay, pause the video. Come back and check it. Welcome back. It takes some time to work on it. It gives you marks, remember. So what do you get? Bingo. Okay, A equals 3. Excellent. B equals -11. And C equals 8. Well done. All the numbers are so beautiful, right? And you really substitute them inside. Fulfill all the requirements. So you did a great job. Okay, see you on question 10. If you like our channel, remember, support us. Like, follow, and share, and subscribe. Thank you.